Hello everyone, I am Aniket Kalegore, founder of Working Space. We are into co-working spaces and managed offices since last 3 years. We are located in various locations in Pune. We also have a managed office service where we give office spaces to big companies, and we have co-working spaces which caters to small startups. So you will ask why a co-working space? So co-working spaces are basically a shared office space where startups, professionals, freelancers they come, they take up an office space with a monthly subscription which is very flexible and very minimal in cost, and they share the office space, which is why the rents are less. So here in co-working spaces they come and they take up a very pocket friendly flexible option which suits their needs, and they can start their offices at very small cost. These office spaces are generally plug and play offices, ready to move in offices, so they don't have to invest in the interiors. They can just come into the office and start their work then and there. So we are into various verticals like co-working spaces, managed offices, we have virtual office as well, and we have incubation centers. So you will ask, what is virtual office? Virtual office is an office space where you don't have to come physically. You can just rent the address that you want and you can work from home. You can just come to the office whenever you have clients, whenever you have meetings, you can come to the office and you can use this address as your registered office space. So in incubation center, we want to create an ecosystem where a startup is coming and they are getting all the services that they need, which they otherwise won't get in a particular office space. So our goal is to create an ecosystem where startups and professionals they can come and they can grow as they are working from here. Thank you very much. For more details, you can log on to workingspace.in or you can call 8999 196 198. Thank you very much.